Hi everybody and welcome back to Art Shop channel. Okay guys, thanks for watching me today. I thought it'd be a very nice idea if I showed you all how to make your own homemade soap. Yes, that's right guys, you heard it here first. Your own homemade soap. So without further ado, let me show you what, if you follow these tutorials, you will make, okay? So I'm going to show you this to start with. You won't be washing with this, but you know, you get the idea. So it's going to be a little bit bigger because I've already cut it. But here we go. Ready for this? There you go. Isn't that a big piece of soap? Oh my God, you could wash for years with this. But no, you're not going to use this one big lump. You're going to slice it all down. Yes, that's right, guys. You're going to slice it all down. But I just wanted to show you it because if you follow these tutorials, you will you'll learn how to make it. Simple as that. So you will make it into this. Ta-da! So there you go, guys. You see that? So you'll make it into this luxury piece of soap that you can keep yourself or use. Now, I wouldn't suggest keeping it for yourself because this is a lot of soap to get through for your entire life. So I wouldn't do that. I would probably just give it away to your friends and family and all the friends you haven't even made yet. Okay? So it's one of these. And then you could also package it. And this is a little idea. Look, you could put it in a little bag, and I put a little bit of something on the back there. You know, so you could put a little sticker on there, say homemade, and you can jazz it all up. Little flowers and little ribbons and that sort of thing. But I just wanted to show you it. That's how I normally do it. I just put a little bit of tape on there to keep that down. And then I put a little logo on there. Actually, I'm going to show you that. Why am I talking in this funny voice? I don't know. But this is a different soap. Same principle, but I just want to show you the packaging. So hold that thought. Won't be a moment. And I'm back already, just like that. See? Thanks for staying with me there. Okay, so this is it, and ta-da! So this is how I packaged it. This was another different kind of soap, similar sort of thing, but different, if you know what I mean. Different colors in there. But I put on there soap, cinnamon homemade. It's got my little logo on. Okay, so it's just a sticky label. It's just the way I roll, and there's a little thing on the back there, just to stick it down. Looks a little bit more professional. Okay. You get me? So you can do whatever you want. So that bit's entirely up to you, how you package your product. Okay, and I don't know why I'm speaking in this voice, but I am. I don't even know what the accent is. If you do, write that in the comments below. But yes, there's a little intro clip just to say all about this little soap extravaganza. So yeah, have a go at making this. And any queries or concerns, I nearly hit my face, queries or concerns, then, because it's a lot of soaps, you know what I mean? When you're turning it, you got to be careful. You got to go, whoa, or whoa, like that. Because, you know, you'll get a soapy face. It's not a bad thing. There's worse things to have in your life. But a soapy face I don't want today because I've already had a little wash. Okay? So, yeah, so follow this tutorial or tutorials. I think I'm going to put it all in one big long clip. And then you can see how to do it. Okay? Okay, so there you go. I'm going to go now because you don't want to keep listening to me. And yeah, I'm going. Look at all my fantastic artists behind me. Doesn't that look fantastic? Yes, it does. I know it does. Okay, so thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. And I'll talk in my normal voice now. Yeah, have I got a normal voice? Yeah, so like, share, and subscribe. Tell all your friends all about me. And yeah, that's about it. I don't think there's anything else to say, you know? Very polished, aren't I, at this? But, you know, I'm just being myself. You got to be yourself in this day and age. You got to be an individual. That's what I say, because we're all individuals. Okay? Anyway, I'm going now because we're 4.5 minutes in, and you don't want to keep watching me rabbit on. Do you know what I mean? Rabbit on, if you know what that means. You will do if you're a Brit, but maybe not if you're from other areas. Do you know what I mean? If not, you got that search engine. You can find out what rabbit on means. Okay, so thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all, you know, with the next tutorial that you're going to watch and do and make and show me pictures of, and you're going to love it. You're going to be so clean, so clean. Anyway, bye for now. Bye.